Hello guys, we are back with another unboxing. Sorry, my throat is a little harsh this morning. I'm sipping on my iced coffee. I like it black. So today we are going to take a look at some of the items that I picked up yesterday. Let's start with the littlest bag first. So the first place we stopped at was David Yurman. I picked up an item that I've been wanting for a while. They did a really lovely job on the packaging. It's a nice hard box, nice jewelry box. It's in the beautiful green David Yurman. Before I open this, I want to take a moment to say thank you to everyone who's recently subscribed to my channel. I am going to be trying to make more content on a, I guess what you would say, a better frequency. As of right now, I'm just posting videos and shorts as I am actually doing things, which is basically when my schedule permits. But I want to thank you for everyone who's been watching my videos and for everyone who's been taking the time out to like, comment, and share my videos. I do appreciate it very much because it does help my channel so much. It allows it to be shared in the YouTube algorithm, which makes it easier for others to notice my videos and for me to grow on YouTube. So now that I got that out the way, I don't know if I mentioned it, but my name is Kiing Ariel, and last vlog we picked up these beauties. So I already had the Venetian, which is this one right here, but I picked up the Return to Tiffany with the Tiffany blue heart, and my Return to Tiffany with the circle emblem broke off, so that is currently being repaired. Once Tiffany fixes it, they're going to be shipping it back to my house. So, ooh, this is cute. Okay. Okay, David. Let's take a moment for that. And look, magnetic closure. How did they put this in here? Let's see. So I did get this beautiful necklace. This is in a 24-inch stainless silver. Let's see if I can put it like this so you can see. This is what the chain actually looks like. Nice lobster clasp. Like I said, it is 24 inches. What else did they put in here? What is this? Oh, so they drape it over one end. Like they draped it around this. So the necklace was in there and draped around. Cute, cute, cute. I like it. I wanted something similar to my Tiffany Venetian. So, let me see if I can show you guys. One moment, please. The lighting is not the best today. So, if we take a look here, this is the David Yurman, and then this is the Tiffany Venetian. I think that they're pretty similar. They're not the same, but they're pretty similar. So I figured this would be a nice chain for me. So I picked this up. This is called the box chain, I believe. And I did get this at the David Yurman at the Caesars Forum here in Las Vegas. So that's first item we purchased. Let's go with this one next. This one was the 50th Zara anniversary. So I got this from Zara. And someone recommended me to try out the Fashionably London. So I did pick up the gift box from Christmas for the Fashionably London. Let's see here. So it says, the soulful heartbeat always plays its own song. And it came in this nice packaging. So it's a bigger box. It was on sale for $59.90 with an additional 30% off. That's why I decided to go with the holiday packaging versus the original. And this has a really nice bottle. Let's see if you can see that. And it has this unique scent. It's like a clean, citrusy. Let me see if they actually state what this scent makeup is. So for those who don't know, I just found this out. This was created by Joe Malone. So I guess Joe Malone had a partnership with Zara. It says the scent is luminous, subtle, and modern. It is from the floral family. And it is a mix of bergamot, rose, and musk. So this actually smells really, really good. Pick that up. I think I spent maybe $30, $40 for this bottle. Not bad at all. I stopped by the Yves Saint Laurent store. And I picked up something that I've been wanting for a while. Check out this packaging. The box is very clean, very minimal. It's a hard cardboard. It just has the one Saint Laurent. And it looks like the gift wrap is just a ribbon that they just hooked over the back. Because look at it, how it's tied. I don't think that she actually tied this. I think it just was pulled over. Lord, this box don't want to open. There it goes. So the dust bag, is this my receipt? What is this? No, this might be care packaging. I don't know. It's two big old books. We'll check that out later. There's no interior color of the box. And it does have a drawstring, which doesn't seem like it wants to pull. There it goes. So it does have a drawstring, so you can close it. I don't know how I was going to say close, but I did pick up the card case. And I was going between the black on black or the black and silver. As you guys know, I really don't do gold too much, but let me see if I can get a better look at this. This retail for $3.80. Shout out to Brittany over at Caesars Forum who hooked me up. She got me the last one that they had in this color. So shout outs to her for that. And it was not the floor model. Thank the Lord. So I'm excited for that. What else did we pick up today? We also stopped by Burberry. They gave me a nice bag, and they did seal it shut. This says, be appointed to His Majesty King Charles III, Outfitters Burberry Limited, London. So, I guess I'm going to have to rip this seal because it is not peeling off. Okay, so we got a nice little envelope here. What's in this? Oh, that's just my receipt. Cute little envelope. And I'm guessing it goes this way. Person. So it does have the recycling information on the back. They should have put that in the inside like the Yves Saint Laurent did. Kind of looks tacky on the back, but it's what else. Not a good bow. It's just tied, so that's okay. It is a nice cotton thick string, so I don't know if you can see that. Okay, you got the traditional Burberry check. Let's see here, can I slide this out without opening it? And what is this? Oh, they put the tag in here. So that tells you what I got. Pause if you want to read that. But I did get this. The Burberry does have a double drawstring, which I like. Most people are not doing the double drawstrings, but that does give it a nice closure for the dust bag. And the white is not like a traditional white. It actually has like an off blue to it. But I did pick up this. It is the Burberry. Let me see if you can see. It is the Burberry Check Fold Card Holder. So it is similar to a Louis Vuitton pocket organizer, but it is slightly different because of the interior. So you are going to have 2 card slots here. You're going to have 1 card slot here. You're going to have 1 card slot here. And then you have a big pocket here. So here you can put a bunch of cards. You can put your cash in here. It gives you a lot of room to keep a lot of your stuff. So I chose this over the Louis Vuitton pocket organizer simply because I really like the idea of this pocket right here. So we picked that up. What else did we get? Okay, this thing here is mammoth. I know, I can't even fit in the whole frame. Look at it. Look how big this bag is. When I tell you whatever's in this big bag, like this is my hands, that's the Michael Kors. The bag's way, I can't even get the whole thing in frame. But the bag is like way out here. So if I tell you guys, I only spent $70 on what's in this bag. What do you think it is? Comment below what you think this is. Okay? I secured the extra large weekend traveler. Look at this thing. It has a huge front pocket here. You can put your phone in. You can put your passport. Look at that. Gold. I really like the way that this khaki and white looked. It also has a strap here, so that way you can slide your handle for your suitcase here and it can sit on top. It has no feet, but it does have a leather bottom. And then on the interior, you do have, that's packaging, more packaging. They fill out all these little air balloons. You do have a cloth guitar strap. Sorry if I'm moving this around. My camera's attached to my desk, so it might be looking crazy right now. But you do get a tan guitar strap. For the interior, you do have a large zipper pocket. I would say it goes about 3/4 of the way across. And yep, the zipper is the pocket is the same size as the zipper. So it is 3/4 of the way here, from here to here. On the other side, you do have 2 large pockets. So my hands go all the way in there. You can fit that all the way down. No pockets on the other side. The interior is like this Michael Kors signature nylon. Looks like it'll be something that's easy to clean. But yes, I picked up a nice little weekend spend the night bag. You know, I figured this color actually looked better than the color. Oh, it is a single slide, a single zipper pull, but it is very smooth, if you can see. Very smooth, like butter. The black and gray did not look as nice. When I was looking at it, it kind of felt cheap. And I know that I'm in my black era. Oh, look, it has Michael Kors right here. I know that I'm in my black era, but this bag looked so clean and neat that I had to go with the white. Well, I want to thank everyone for stopping by and spending their Saturday morning with me. If you have not gotten a chance to already, please make sure that you like this video, comment your thoughts on the items I got. Did you like the colors? Did you like the items? Would you have chosen something different? If you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscription button and turn on that notification bell. That way you are notified every time I post. And until next time, bye-bye.